Ever wonder why your loose leaf tea never tastes as good as the one from your favorite cafe? In many cases, it's not the tea, it's the infuser. A poor quality infuser can prevent the leaves from expanding fully, leaving you with a weak, disappointing cup. If you're looking for a simple way to get better flavor without turning your kitchen into a full tea ceremony, this review is for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Teaze Tea Infuser for loose leaf tea, a compact brewing tool designed for tea lovers who want rich flavor with minimal effort. Whether you're completely new to loose leaf tea or you've been drinking it for years, this infuser promises a cleaner, simpler brewing experience. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is the modern, transparent design. Instead of hiding your tea leaves, the clear brewing chamber lets you watch them slowly unfurl as they steep, which is surprisingly satisfying. It gives the whole process a more premium feel without being complicated. The body is made from BPA-free Eastman Trident plastic, a durable material commonly used for food-safe drinkware. It feels lightweight, yet sturdy enough for everyday use, while the removable stainless steel filter gives it a nice balance of durability and functionality. Overall, it looks clean on a kitchen counter and doesn't feel like a cheap plastic gadget. Using the Teaze Tea Infuser is refreshingly straightforward. Simply add your loose leaf tea, pour in hot water, let it steep for around 3 minutes, then place the infuser over your mug and release the tea. The gravity-style dispensing system keeps the process neat and minimizes spills, making it ideal for busy mornings or relaxing afternoon tea breaks. Unlike traditional tea balls that can restrict the leaves, this design gives the tea more room to expand, allowing better flavor extraction and a richer, more aromatic cup. In everyday use, the brewing process feels smooth and hassle-free. There's almost no learning curve, so even someone trying loose leaf tea for the first time can get great results. Cleanup is another strong point. The stainless steel filter removes easily for thorough rinsing, and the entire infuser is dishwasher safe, which means less time scrubbing tiny mesh baskets by hand. If you enjoy multiple cups throughout the day, the quick cleanup becomes a real advantage. Of course, no product is perfect. The Teaze Tea Infuser works best for brewing single servings, so it may not be the ideal choice if you're making tea for a large group. It's also designed specifically for loose leaf tea, so those who primarily use tea bags may not see much added value. While the plastic construction feels durable, some buyers may still prefer an all-glass or fully stainless steel brewer for aesthetic reasons. That said, the Trident material is built to withstand everyday use and offers the benefit of being lightweight and resistant to cracking. Compared with similarly priced tea infusers from brands like Finum, OXO, or simple stainless steel tea balls, the tea stands out because of its easy gravity release system and spacious brewing chamber. Many traditional infusers can feel messy or limit how much the tea leaf can expand, while this design encourages better infusion and creates a smoother brewing experience. It also doubles as an attractive serving piece, making it a nice option when entertaining guests. So, who is this tea infuser really for? If you're someone who enjoys premium loose leaf tea, wants an easy cleanup, and appreciates a simple brewing process without extra equipment, the Teaze Tea Infuser is an excellent fit. Beginners will appreciate how approachable it is, while experienced tea drinkers will likely enjoy the improved flavor extraction and convenient design. If you're brewing large pots of tea every day, you may want a larger brewing system, but for individual cups, this one delivers impressive convenience and value. Overall, the Teaze Tea Infuser strikes a great balance between simplicity, thoughtful design, and everyday performance. It makes brewing loose leaf tea easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable without adding unnecessary complexity. If you've been thinking about upgrading your tea routine, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews and buying guides, and check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before making your decision.